a selfie, but it should be a creative picture, like how Safwan captured me when we did a photo shoot, and then I could tell a story with that picture. That's the only way you should rely on photographs on your profiles and not artwork. So for Mr. Collins to come in, y'all got to take full advantage of it. Y'all have computers here that she just giving you access to. Like, you guys are the young, creative geniuses of the future. For real.
I've been doing what I do for almost 10 years professionally, and I didn't graduate college. So like I would definitely suggest that you go to college, but like you can learn this stuff and get paid to do this stuff just by learning it on your own.
So let me say, I went to art school. I guess that was my college, right? But art school, it's more than just going to college. It's about what you put into it to get out what you can get from it. I didn't go to college or go to art school thinking that was the end all.